Hey, how you doing? Are you a student who's trying to study for their EOC and you need to pass? Well, look no further because I got what you need right here. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our first problem. We're going to talk about A.2A, which is the domain and range of linear equations. All right, so we're just going to annotate here in our question. It says a swimming pool can be rented out for $110 per hour. I know per is a M word or slope. The pool can be rented for either 1 or 2 hours. So you can rent it for 1 or 2 hours. The cost of the pool is a function number of. If we're talking about number of is a key for discrete. Again, you can watch the full length of this video, and the link is in the description. Okay. All right. So because we know discrete has brackets, I know I can eliminate answer choice C and D because I should have brackets. Okay. This is asking for the domain and the range of this function right now. All right. So if I know I can have 110 per hour, I have an equation already, which is y equals 110 x. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my decimals. Y equals 110x. I'm going to turn this into a table. And again, we said we can do this for 1 hour or 2 hours. So the domain is 1 hour or 2 hours. Those are our x values. They told us either 1 or 2 hours. So we know our domain is 1 and 2. So our answer here is answer choice B. Our y values are also 110 and 220, which are the range. All right, let's look at another example. We're talking about a domain here. This one gives us a graph. So the graph is kind of simple. I'll make this a little bit bigger so we can see it better. All right. All right. So the question is asking, what is the domain? We know the domain is for our x values. Okay. So my x values, I am starting here and I am stopping here at this point. All right. So I'm going to draw it down to my x. I'm going from 0 to 12 on my domain, which is my x. I'm starting at 0 and I'm ending at 12 because this point right here is at 12, comma 90. And again, this point right here, you should know, is at the origin or 0, 0. So if I go ahead and circle, my x values are from 0 to 12, or answer choice B. Okay, C and D are automatically going to be eliminated because those have Y's, and we stop at 12 and not 14. Okay, all right. So you know you can pass this test. We just quickly reviewed over domain and range. See you next time.